An introduction to Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a Chrome extension, so works best with that search engine as far as I can tell. It doesn't work well with Safari, and students may not be able to access it without downloading the Chrome app on iPads. Students do not require an Edpuzzle account to do assigned tasks, but teachers need to create an account to set them. When you log into Edpuzzle, you will sign up as a teacher of either world languages, science, whatever it is that you teach, and the home page will show you what's trending in that area. You can also see what your colleagues are doing, not just in your own faculty, but throughout the school, and you can pinch their good ideas. You can create folders for your own content on Edpuzzle. This is the contents of my Year 8 folder. You can see with popular channels, there are a variety you can pick from for ready-made videos, or over on the right-hand side where there's an Add Content button, you can create or upload a video. Some of my videos include ones I've sourced on Edpuzzle, such as the katakana one. This one down the bottom here that I used from YouTube, and I edited it because the original was too long. I only wanted a section of it. I made a Google Earth project that I then filmed on my laptop with Screencastify. And I also add audio to my PowerPoints and then just save them as an MPEG-4 video and turn them into videos that way. So there are lots of ready-made videos. You can just search a topic in the content and then copy it over to your own content and edit it. If you find one with a number and little pins, that means that a teacher has inserted questions or notes in the videos, in this case 7. For this demonstration, I've selected one without pins, so it's just select, edit, copy, editing. You can cut out a section of a video by playing it and then adding cuts, or dragging that blue line from either end to just capture the piece you want. When editing a video, you can also include your own voice over. You can play the video and pause or drag the dot along to the point where you want to do that. Then hit the red record button and start your recording. Another way you can edit a video is to insert multiple choice questions or open-ended questions or just notes. Again, play the video, pause where you want to insert those questions or drag the dot along the bottom. When you make a multiple choice question, type the question in the top box, followed by the correct answer, then as many incorrect answers as you like. When you've finished editing, hit the Finish button in the top right-hand corner. Assigning Edpuzzle videos to a class. When you have selected, edited, or copied a video, you can then just assign it to a class with a button on the right-hand side. Users of Google Classroom can select their class, make sure it's switched on to post onto Google Classroom directly as a draft, and then hit the Assign button. Users of other LMSs can copy links or embed the code. Using Gradebook on Edpuzzle. In the Gradebook section of Edpuzzle that you can create for each class, you can see the total score students achieved for the questions you inserted in the video, the time they spent watching and working on those questions, and you can also download the grades or export them directly to Google Classroom. In the Gradebook section, you can see the students' names and the percentage they've watched of the video and what date they watched it on and whether it was late or on time. On Google Classroom, the Edpuzzle results will appear for each student in the marks section. Managing your classes. Use the My Classes tab to go to the page where you can import classes from Google Classroom or create your own, and then watch the status of the assignments as either due assignments, ones with no due dates, or check out the students. So in conclusion, I would just like to thank you all for watching and hope that you'll find Edpuzzle as useful as I do, not just for the self-correction, but for being able to ascertain how much my students are watching of the video tutorials that I post.